So one warning about the use of Spotlight. By default, when you get your Mac, Spotlight is engaged. It is something that can be helpful to find files, but the hotkey that has been designated for it is a hotkey that we use all the time in Pro Tools, and that is the Command spacebar, and it will not work for Pro Tools unless this is disengaged. So you're going to go to the Apple System Preferences, and then Keyboard, Shortcuts. And then if you look off to the left, you'll see something called Spotlight. You just need to make sure that all of these are disengaged. Once you've done that, you just close the window and you're good to go. And now your Command spacebar in Pro Tools should work just fine.